Hello friends, I am Dr. Prashant Sharma and you are watching MEDICO'S Hub. In this video I am going to discuss the mechanism of cellular immunity or cell-mediated immunity. Now how does this cell-mediated immunity or cellular immunity works? This is a cell, this is extracellular space, this is nucleus, this is nuclear membrane, and this one is RER, and this is representing the cytoplasm. Now this cell is antigen presenting cell, like dendrites, like B cell, and like macrophages. Now this is an antigen. This antigen is engulfed by this APC. So endocytosis is done, and now it is in the cell. This is a primary lysosome with hydrolytic enzymes, and this will fuse with this phagosome, and the antigen is partially digested. Here from RER, MHC vesicles are formed, which are having MHC class 2 proteins. This is not an antibody, it is MHC class 2 protein. Both vesicles fuse, and one of the peptides will bind with the MHC vesicle, MHC protein. So this MHC protein or molecule will bind to peptide antigen, and later on it will present this MHC class 2 molecule will present this peptide antigen on the surface of APC. Now this is antigen and this one is MHC class 2. Then it will attract the T helper cells. These T helper cells are inactive. So inactive T helper cells are attracted to the MHC Ag complex, and these will bind to this MHC2 Ag complex. This is inactive T helper cell, and this is CD4 protein, and this is TCR. This is CD4 and this one is T cell receptor. So when this complex is formed and some cytokines are also released on the inactive T helper cell, then this T helper cell will differentiate or activated and differentiated into T memory cell and Th1 cell, that is type 1 helper cell. Now this type 1 helper cell will result in proliferation and differentiation of T8 cell, that is CD8 cell, by co-stimulation. So this will be done by co-stimulation. Now when the T8 cell proliferates, it will divide or differentiate into T8 memory cells and effector T cell of cytotoxic type. It is also termed as cytotoxic T cell. This cytotoxic T cell will result in lysis of pathogen or affected cell by cytolysis. So first will be the differentiation of T helper cell into Th1 cell and memory cell, then the proliferation and differentiation of T8 cell into effector cell and memory cell. Then final action will be taken by the cytotoxic T cell. There is another mechanism involved in cell mediated immunity, that is any virus or intracellular antigen let it be virus or intracellular antigen, it will be processed by the RER and will be released in the vesicle, MSC vesicle, but now with MSC class 1 protein or molecule. So this is MHC1 and this is antigen. This is antigen. Then this vesicle will be fusing with the membrane of the affected cell, and the MSC molecule will present the antigen on the surface. This complex, that is MHC1, an antigen complex, will itself stimulate the proliferation and differentiation of T8 cell into effector cell, that is cytotoxic T cell, and T8 memory cell. So this will destroy the virus affected cell or the cell having intracellular antigenic load. So these are the two mechanisms involved in cellular immunity or cell mediated immunity. Hit the like button, share and subscribe our channel to get the latest updates and notifications.